What's your joke?
Why did the Scarecrow get a promotion?
Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Nice. That's a good one. Hey, do you have a joke?
Yeah.
What is it?
I have a couple jokes. So
Hi.
What's your joke?
Why'd the dinosaur cross the road?
Why?
Because chickens hadn't been invented yet.
Nice. What's your joke?
What is Robert's favorite shoes?
What?
White Vans.
Nice. What's your joke?
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get away from KFC.
Okay.
What's a place where I'm sorry and I apologize don't mean the same thing?
Where?
A funeral.
What's your joke?
What do you call two cookies kissing?
What?
Baking out.
What is the wilderness' favorite genre? What? It is rock. Your best joke?
How's my hair, Darren?
Good.
Pretty good, okay.
Yeah.
I got a joke. Y'all want a joke? All right, this one is a joke I heard a long time ago. So there's a rabbit, and the rabbit wants to get lost, so the rabbit decides to go out into the desert. The rabbit walks around the desert, walks around the desert, walks around the desert. Eventually, the rabbit wonders where it's at, so it looks down at the ground. It's in a desert.
That was so funny. Yo, what is your best joke, man? That is extremely good, better than everyone else.